you are doing well. So we have completed our first lesson. We learned words, meaning of the words, questions and answers, then common noun and proper noun. I know all of you bit doubtful about common noun and proper noun. Okay, I'll tell you a simple example. I am your teacher. My name is Millie. I repeat, I am your teacher. My name is Millie. So you have many teachers, right? I am one of them. You have many teachers. So that the teacher is the common noun. Then I told my name is Millie. You have only one Millie, ma'am, right? So my name is Millie. That is proper noun. Got it? Got it? Okay. Now, who all are there at your home? Your mama is there, papa is there, and your sister or brother, then your grandparents. Okay, we all live together. What is it called? We can call it as a family. We all are related to each other and we live together. Okay, so we can call it as a family. And you have to speak something about your family to your friends or to others. How to speak? That I'll tell you. I'll show you how to speak. Before that, let's meet Reena and Rishi.
Hello children, I told you we got two new friends. Who are they? Rishi and Reena. Let us meet Reena and Rishi and their family. This is Reena. She is 6 years old. Hi, I am Reena. That is Rishi. He is my brother. He is 4 years old. Wee! Reena and Rishi's father is Mr. Mohan Patel. He works in an office. Their mother is Mrs. Mala Patel. She is a doctor. Reena, Rishi, let's go home. It is time for lunch. Reena, Rishi and their parents go home. Reena and Rishi's grandparents come for lunch every Sunday. Mother washes Rishi's hands. She combs his hair. Reena, wash your hands and get ready. Remember, Rishi, you must be good today. Grandpa and Grandma come. Reena opens the door. She hugs them. Oh, it is time for lunch. Children, listen carefully. I am going to read once more. This is Reena. She is 6 years old and she introducing herself to us. She said, "Hi, I am Reena." And Reena says, "That is Rishi." See there, where is Rishi? Rishi is on the slide, right? He is my brother. Who is Rishi? Rishi is Reena's brother. He is 4 years old. And he makes a sound while playing Wii. All of you are making such noise, right? Now see here, would like to ask you, who is small here? Rishi or Reena? Rishi is smaller than Reena. Why? Why? She is means Reena is 6 years old, but Rishi is only 4 years old. So Rishi is smaller than Reena. and Rishi's father is Mr. Mohan Patel. Children, see here MR. You have to read as Mr. So when we say somebody's name, we have to respect them. So Mr. if they are male, we have to add Mr. there. MR you have to read as Mr. Reena and Rishi's father is Mr. Mohan Patel. He works in an office. Their mother is Mrs. Mala Patel. See here, if we say the name of ladies, we have to add here Mrs. MRS, you have to read as Mrs. MRS, you have to read as Mrs. Their mother is Mrs. Mala Patel. She is a doctor. Who is she? She is a doctor. See what Reena and Rishi's mother says. See here. Reena, Rishi, let's go home. It's time for lunch. Reena, Rishi and their parents go home. Reena and Rishi's grandparents come for lunch every Sunday. So that's really a happiness, right? In your home also your grandparents might be coming on holidays, right? And you will be happy like anything, right? Let's see. Mother washes Rishi's hands. She combs his hair. So they were playing, right? They were playing in the park and mother now washes Rishi's hands. If we go outside, if we play somewhere outside, or if we play with something also, some toys also, we have to, after that, we have to wash our hands properly. Then what mother did? She combs his hair. Reena, wash your hands and get ready. And she instructed Reena, you go and wash your hands, then get ready. Remember Rishi, you must be good today. So mother says to Rishi, you must be good today. Means don't make any naughtiness, right? Grandpa and grandma come. Reena opens the door. She hugs them. Oh, it's time for lunch. Who said? Reena and Rishi's mother said. So, next part I will teach you in my next session.
So, you got two new friends, Reena and Rishi, right? So, now you got to know how to speak about your family. What we have to say? First, we have to say the names of our parents, my father's name, my mother's name, and we have to say what are they doing. If you have any sister or brother, that also you have to say. If your grandparents are living with you, yes, you can speak about them too. Bye children, have a nice day.